是。
Good day, everyone. This is Eric, CEO of Best Laser. We are the 10 years manufacturer of all kinds of laser, and especially we are focused on the hair removal machine technology. Today, I will pronounce our exclusive engine in Middle East, the Noyantab Manili, and they provide our machine selling and the after service, and also the new technology advertising. Okay, today I will introduce our new technology of the DCST laser technology. This technology with the highest similar with the Candela technology, and provide very good performance and output, and also the comfortable feeling on hair removal performance. And later I will introduce our technology is which were better than the Candela technology. Okay, we use the imported Japan optical fiber from Mitsubishi, and also with 1 mm diameter. This technology ensured with durability, and also this system can output the highest 125 joules. And we can make sure provide the stable, strong, and reliable energy output. The device is also equipped with a high quality CE certificate module. Our DCST laser technology can avoid the energy loss, and also we provide the efficiency output. This is the most important difference with the Candela technology. And this technology, the quality is stable, and you don't need to pay much attention on the maintenance and on the repair. So this technology, in fact, is better than Candela technology. In addition, our device can deliver the highest power among the systems in the same category. All outputs and the real energy are verified by the international EMC testing. Ensure we have a fully reliable performance. Our company, together with Noyantab, we are high quality, advanced technology, and professional support in the middle market, also in Iran market. Thank you for attention. We will together with Noyantab company and to move the technology upgraded. As Noyantab always said, we are always one step ahead of the market. Thank you.